It starts with a moment frozen in time. Once you place your order for an officially licensed frame photo, your chosen moment goes through many skilled hands and precision machines before it reaches you. From the premium quality photo printer to the frame mat cutting and final assembly, every effort is taken to ensure the quality and presentation value of your purchase. In addition to the precision cut frames and mats, each team logo is cut by laser and assembled by hand. Every design element is individually inspected, touched up, and measured twice. Our commitment to excellence is inherent in our craftsmanship. Your customized frame photo is a timeless piece of the game you love. Whether it was the game you were at, your hometown stadium, or your favorite player, your framed photo will be a lifelong tribute and the centerpiece of your collection. Find your moment and begin the journey now.